Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Frozen Party Decor is probably one of the most enchanting ways to transform any celebration into a magical winter wonderland, bringing the beloved characters and icy charm of Arendelle right into your home for an unforgettable experience that will delight guests of all ages. Imagine the gasps of joy as your little ones step into a realm of snow, ice castles, and their favorite princesses, Elsa and Anna, surrounded by shimmering snowflakes, elegant blue and silver accents, and whimsical touches that capture the essence of the film's captivating story and breathtaking visuals, making your party truly sparkle. Number 5. Monobeach Princess Tent Girl's Large Playhouse. Inspired by fairy tales, this beautiful princess house helps little dreams come true. Every child loves their own secret space. This adorable fairy house tent offers a private space for entertainment, reading, and relaxation. It's the perfect present for your little one. This sizable tent can comfortably fit up to 3 children at once. It's made from high-quality, durable, and easy-to-clean polyester taffeta. It's ideal for various locations, including your home, kindergarten, backyard, or local parks. Let the adventures begin anywhere. You'll receive the princess tent, poles, connectors, and instructions. Plus, enjoy the included star lights as a special gift. Setting up this playhouse is a breeze, and the durable material makes cleaning simple. Spend more time playing and less time worrying. What we like? This play tent offers a magical private space for children to enjoy imaginative games. If you are looking for a gift that sparks creativity and provides a cozy hideaway, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for little ones who dream of their own fairy tale castle, offering hours of indoor or outdoor fun. What people say. The tent is lightweight and easy to set up. The material feels soft and suitable for children, and the size is perfect for playtime. It provides a fun space for kids to play or relax. The design matches the photos and was well received. It is big enough for them both to play in it at the same time, which is so nice. Very easy to assemble, quality parts. Super cute, great size. Number 4. CHRORINE Light Blue Metallic Tinsel Foil Fringe Curtains. Transform your party space with these shimmering fringe curtains. They add a touch of magic and create a festive atmosphere instantly. Each curtain measures a generous 3.2 by 8.2 feet, perfect for covering doorways or walls. You'll have enough length to make a big statement. Decorating is a breeze. Simply tear off the adhesive backing and stick them to any wall or door. It's that easy to create a stunning backdrop. Made from durable metallic tinsel, these decorations are not only eye-catching but also reusable. They are perfect for a variety of celebrations. Ideal for mermaid, birthday, baby shower, or bridal parties. These curtains are a fantastic addition to any themed celebration, bringing fun and surprise. Set up a dazzling DIY photo booth with these glittering backdrops. They are sure to make your party photos memorable and exciting. What we like? Create a dazzling party atmosphere with these shimmering foil curtains. If you need a quick and impactful way to decorate walls or doorways for photos, these are ideal. They are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to mermaid, under the sea, or any festive celebration. What people say. Stuck perfectly. Lasted overnight and all day. No reinforcement needed. Great colorful background for photos. Good length, and can be cut to make shorter. Reused several times with no issues. Lightweight. These came fast and were exactly as I pictured. Great color and worked great for our ocean backdrop. Number 3. Little Pie Frozen Princess Castle Magnetic Tiles. Bring your child's winter wonderland dreams to life with these magnetic tiles. The enchanting colors and design are sure to capture their imagination. Let their creativity soar as they play. These magnetic toys not only provide fun but also help develop essential motor, visual, and problem-solving skills. This set includes everything needed to build a magical winter castle. With carefully selected durable parts like doors, windows, and stairs, your little one can create their own kingdom. Create an interactive space for quality parent and child time. Enjoy building together instead of spending hours in front of screens. Make this an excellent gift for birthdays or holidays. It's perfect for boys and girls who love to build and imagine. What we like? Unleash your child's inner architect with these magnetic building blocks. If you want to encourage screen-free playtime that also develops problem-solving skills, this set is fantastic. It's perfect for kids who love to build and imagine their own winter kingdoms, offering endless creative possibilities. What people say. Great quality and I highly recommend. Beautiful magnetic tiles. Very durable and fun. Easy assembly with bright colors and easy attachments with these magnetic tiles. Very durable pieces with multiple bright colors. Great assortment of sizes and shapes to ensure creativity for all. Number 2. Snowflake hanging decorations. Bring the magic of winter into your home with these beautiful snowflake decorations. Their shimmering glitter and festive colors create a truly special holiday atmosphere. You'll receive a generous set of 20 hanging swirls, featuring snowflakes in 4 delightful colors. They are designed to catch the light and create a magical winter wonderland effect. These decorations are ready to hang right out of the package. Simply spread them out and adorn your space, whether it's indoors or outdoors, for an instant festive touch. Crafted from premium metal foil and cardstock, these swirls are built to last. Their exquisite craftsmanship ensures they can be enjoyed from multiple celebrations. Ideal for Christmas, New Year's, or any winter-themed celebration, these decorations are perfect for baby showers and birthday parties too. Create a captivating winter wonderland for your guests. What we like. Instantly transform any space into a winter wonderland with these hanging snowflake decorations. If you're planning a winter-themed party, Christmas, or baby shower, these are a must-have. They are pre-strung and easy to hang, providing a beautiful, shimmering effect with minimal effort. What people say. The balloons were a great addition to the party. The banner was colorful and sturdy. The tablecloth was a good size and easy to clean. Number 1. Frozen Birthday Balloon Arch Kit. Transform your party space into a magical winter wonderland with this stunning balloon arch kit. It's perfect for creating a captivating atmosphere for any celebration. Crafted from high-quality natural latex, these balloons are thicker and more vibrant than standard ones. They ensure a beautiful and long-lasting decoration for your event. This versatile balloon garland is ideal for a variety of celebrations, including winter-themed birthdays, baby showers, and holiday parties. It serves as a fantastic backdrop for memorable photos. Setting up this balloon arch is a breeze. Simply inflate the balloons and assemble them using the included tools. It's a fun and engaging DIY activity for the whole family. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive kit to create a breathtaking balloon arch. You'll receive balloons of various sizes, snowflake accents, and assembly accessories. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues with your purchase, please don't hesitate to contact us for a prompt and satisfactory solution. What we like. Elevate your party's visual appeal with this comprehensive balloon arch kit. If you're aiming for a stunning focal point for photos or a grand entrance, this is perfect. It's ideal for winter-themed birthdays, baby showers, or any celebration where you want a dramatic and festive balloon display. What people say. Very good quality, easy to assemble. Assortment of colors and sizes allows for creativity. Not one balloon popped and the arch stayed in place for 2 days, no air came out. These fit in perfectly with the super magical theme of the party. They were vibrant, durable, and the foil ones were shiny and quite large. Bright colors. Perfect ratio of colors and sizes. They were easy to fill. None of the balloons popped. The plastic strip made assembly easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.